Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to turn off autoplay for your account on Disney+. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and go to the official disneyplus.com website and create an account or log into your existing account depending if you already have an account or not. So guys, after doing that and logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here which shows you all the TV shows and movies that you can watch. So guys, the thing you have to do to turn off autoplay is very easy. Go ahead and put your mouse in the upper right corner where your profile is, and this will open up a couple options that you can see. Go ahead guys and click on the edit profiles option and select the profile for which you want to turn off autoplay. Go ahead and click on that profile right here. Let's say this is the profile that we want to turn off autoplay off. And as you can see here guys, the first option that we have is called autoplay, enabling autoplay. And as you can see here guys, now it is enabled. And if you want to disable it, all we have to do is click on this button right here, and now autoplay is no longer active on our profile. Just click done again and go back to Disney Plus, and now autoplay is turned off. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.